this is for the audience, and this is for you as an advance birthday gift as well.
Thank you.
वे होया एक कसूर चढ़या इश्क फितूर सुनदा किसी दिना दिल तेरे आगे जी हुजूर जी वे होया एक कसूर चढ़या इश्क फितूर सुनदा किसी दिना दिल तेरे आगे जी हुजूर जी हुजूर। अभी तो शुरुआत है, आई थिंक बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में, बट ये मेरे कुछ जलवे हैं जो मैं बिखेर रहा हूँ। देयर इज नथिंग दैट you can't do. Everyone can do anything they want. They just have to put their heart and right intent in that. तो मैंने पहला जो गाना था वो एक रैप लिखा था for that girl, and that's where it started. I got inspired by that, and then I think it was a long journey. But now when I feel confident, you know, I want to show it to the world that what I can do, and I can sing, I can write, compose. But it took me good long. I used to write songs for this company called S Rocks.
Wow.
Yeah. तो वो एक ND स्टूडियो के साथ मिलके एक ब्रॉडवे लिख रहे थे, तो उसमें कुछ गानों की ज़रूरत थी, तो मैंने उसके लिए कुछ 7-8 गाने लिखे। तो हाँ, आज भी रिजेक्शंस होते हैं, बट आई डोंट टेक रिजेक्शंस वेरी पर्सनली, इनफैक्ट आई सेलिब्रेट देम, दैट्स माय वे। सो देयर इज वन प्रोजेक्ट जिससे मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा अटैच था बहुत पहले, एंड देन वो नहीं हुआ, तो वो रिजेक्शन ने मेरे को थोड़ा सा हिलाया। फिर मैंने सोचा यार इतनी छोटी मोटी हवाओं से तो नहीं हिलने वाले। आई वेंट एंड गिव माई सेल्फ अ ट्रीट। सो आई सेलिब्रेट माई रिजेक्शंस। मैंने वो पढ़ लिख कर या किसी स्कूल जाकर एक्टिंग नहीं सीखी है, और आई हैव लर्नड इट ऑन द जॉब। सो आई सी इट इन अ वे दैट दिस TV टाइम वाज माय एक्टिंग स्कूल। आप करो स्टीरियोटाइप, बट यू नो आई विल ब्रिंग समथिंग न्यू एंड फ्रेश टू द क्राफ्ट दैट वंस यू वॉच इट यू विल फील डिफरेंट। आई थिंक ऑफ कैमरा बातें अच्छी होती हैं, बट पता नहीं होना चाहिए कि कब कैमरा ऑफ है कब ऑन है।
हाँ।
बट जस्ट फॉर द ऑडियंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि मेरा और इनका बर्थडे सेम डेट पर आता है, which is 28 August.
Yes, and that's like one of the most amazing things because I've met so few people who are born on 28th August. It's either 27th or 29th, but not 28th, you know.
We are rare. Let's take the pride in that.
Yes, and I would like to introduce, you know, my very special guest today, the person who's born on the same day as I am. And let me introduce you in this way, you know, with me today. Well, hello and welcome to India Today. And with me today is this guy who has captured and the hearts of not just people in India, but people all across the world with his first big film that released on the big screens, which has become very rare for newcomers nowadays. And he has a special talent. He can fool you as Sunny Mondol, and he can make you fall in love with him as Deepak. And he can also impress you with his dance as Bhugol. And for many of us know him as this amazing and fantastic dancer from Chak Dhoom Dhoom, and have seen him on TV regularly as well. And of course, I'm talking about Sparsh Srivastav. Sparsh, my name is Zenia. Welcome to India Today.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
This is so good meeting you. And we know you as a dancer, we know you as a fantastic actor. Now you have become a singer, composer, lyricist. कर क्या रहे हो यार, मतलब
नहीं, अभी तो शुरुआत है, आई थिंक बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में, बट ये मेरे कुछ जलवे हैं जो मैं बिखेर रहा हूँ।
अरे बहुत ज्यादा बिखेर रहे हो यार। और ये बताओ, मतलब ऐसा कुछ है that you can't do?
It's not, you know, honestly, I'm not saying it as an intelligent answer, but there is nothing that you can't do. Everyone can do anything they want. They just have to put their heart and right intent in that. That's
Wow.
it. And the hard work around it and consistency. That's it.
Wow. But talking about Ji Huzur, what made you, you know, become a singer, and what made you write this song, compose it? ये सब कुछ कैसे हुआ? I would love to know.
This is a short story I would like to tell you.
Yeah.
So, तो मैं एक फिल्म देख के आया था, which was मैं तेरा हीरो. And then in that film, you know, you see Varun Dhawan seeing Leonardo Cruz, and then he gets flattered. And I just came out of that theater, और मेरे दिमाग में वो मैं तेरा हीरो वाला, मैं हीरो बन गया था फुलटू, और मैंने किसी को देखा and I got so mesmerized with the beauty. तो मैंने पहला जो गाना था वो एक रैप लिखा था for that girl, and that's where it started. I got inspired by that, and then I think it was a long journey, but now when I feel confident, you know, I want to show it to the world that what I can do, and I can sing, I can write, compose, but it took me good long.
Yeah, and does the girl know that what you did for
No,
her?
she don't know.
Oh my God! पता भी नहीं उसको वो इतनी लकी है और यहाँ पे
I'm lucky to have that glimpse of her that inspired me to write a track.
Oh my God, romantic,
And the
huh?
journey started.
But tell me about, it started as a rap. Ji Hazur is a very nice,
It's an
romantic,
upbeat, yeah, correct.
very peppy romantic song. So, मतलब कितने सालों से you honed it to make it what it is today?
If I would say, I think since I always wanted to be, I've seen Michael Jackson and Bruno Mars. I always wanted to, and also Ganesh Hegde at one point of time, he was dancing,
मैं
singing.
दीवाना,
मैं
oh my
दीवाना, all
God.
that. So, and that I've always inspired me, that I want to dance and sing at the same time, become a pop singer. So I think वहाँ से वो कीड़ा लगना मुझे start हुआ. And फिर उसके बाद when I came to Bombay in 2017, तो बीच में कीड़ा थोड़ा सा छूट गया था because you get busy with studying and all of that.
Yeah.
पढ़ाई complete करनी थी 10th 12th and all of that. But then when I came to Bombay in 2017, so I was struggling. Audition देना, not struggling I would say, but I was in that process of auditioning,
Yeah.
getting rejected, acting. तो बीच में ना sometimes rejections बहुत सारे जब आपके audition पे no not fit होता है ना, तो थोड़ा सा आपको हैम्पर करने लगता है, थोड़ा सा
Of
स्ट्रेस
course.
बिल्ड होने लगता है.
Of course.
तो एक दिन मैं बाइक चला रहा था बॉम्बे में और नहीं ऐसे ही मैंने I started humming and that's where it started again growing. It was
Wow.
the music was coming back to me again. So I always feel that in a chaos, music is the peace for me. वो शोर में सुकून मेरे लिए म्यूजिक है.
Wow, wow.
So 2017 से फिर मैंने फिर से गाने लिखना स्टार्ट किए. एक एप्लीकेशन है, it's called BandLab.
Yes.
You can just download it on your phone. मैंने उसको म्यूजिक बनाना स्टार्ट किया. तो 2017 से वो जो जर्नी रही है, and then I started writing also for someone. Like before Jamtara,
Okay.
I used to write songs for this company called S-Rocks.
Wow.
Yeah. तो वो एक एंडी स्टूडियो के साथ मिलके एक ब्रॉडवे लिख रहे थे. तो उसमें कुछ गानों की ज़रूरत थी, तो मैंने उसके लिए कुछ 7-8 गाने लिखे. सो आई थिंक वो वहाँ पे मैं आई वाज गेटिंग पॉलिशिंग हो रही थी मेरी लिखाई की और म्यूज़िक की समझ की. 2017 से करते एंड नाउ आई फील रेडी इन 2024 दैट आई हैव समथिंग दैट आई कैन शोकेस टू द वर्ल्ड और मैं दुनिया के आगे रख सकता हूँ.
2025 थोड़ा सा मिस हो गया बस.
yes.
पता नहीं चलता ना कितना जल्दी मतलब
साल,
टाइम
हाँ.
जा रहा है. And 24 has been like this iconic year for you, just to say, because
because
oh
the
my God.
celebrations are still not ending.
Yeah, so it's just
I think I'm still
24,
in
is it?
2024. But that's good. Should keep going.
And tell me something, ये तो मतलब बोला जाता है कि nowadays, youngsters, be it they might have a filmy background or not, but youngsters are not getting that sort of exposure on the big screen that used to happen before. Big screens are like for OTT, youngsters are being roped in, but
Achha.
for say for example, there were very few releases in 2024 which featured new faces. Lapata Ladies being
Correct.
one of them.
Correct.
And it did really well. So do you think
Sorry, please continue.
No, you.
In fact, I would say that, it's a time where we are launching a lot of talent. Like in Lapata Ladies, there are 3 faces. Me, Nitanshi, Pratibha. In other films, like they're my competitors. बहुत launching हो रही है.
हाँ,
कितनी
अभय
फिल्में आ रही हैं.
वर्मा ही
Abhay
थी.
is there, Adarsh Gaurav is there.
Yes.
And Vidang is there. So I think 2024 में जितने चेहरे लॉन्च
हाँ,
किए
थोड़ा ज्यादा हुआ है.
इतने शायद पास में नहीं हुए थे. But I think it all goes to the OTT world. OTT ने हमें वो स्पेस दिया ताकि इंडस्ट्री के लोग और ऑडियंस हमें देख पाए और फिर उसमें से कुछ चेहरे निकल के they make it to the big screen. But
True.
I think it's the golden time for all of us.
And this has also been said that right now romantic genre बहुत कम हो गया. We don't get so many romantic comedies as we
Yeah.
used to get in the 90s, for
Which was the
example.
last best rom-com you have seen?
Last best rom-com that
India.
India that happened was तेरी बातों में ऐसा उलझा जिया ही release हुआ था ना?
Yeah, I would say the last rom-com I highly enjoyed. I would say Jab We Met.
Jab We Met was really good.
Yeah.
So that is not happening. But we, with you, with Deepak, we saw a very uncharacteristic romantic hero, but he was there. So are you consciously trying to explore and get into and like capture that genre somehow?
I would love to. you know, I would love to do more rom-coms.
Mhm.
But having said that, if you see the trajectory of work that I've been associated with till now, you can also sense that there's a there's a graph to the versatility of it.
Yes, of
Sunny
course.
from Jamzara, or that's like a street smart guy. Then you
Deepak
see
is
Deepak, out and out comic, not comic, sorry, romantic,
romantic and very innocent.
innocent. And then you see Bhugol, ekdam full on wannabe.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've been really experimental with that. But having said that, I would love to explore more of rom-coms. You know, a good story, a good rom-com.
So are you like, because you said Jab We Met, have you ever approached or tried to like go and work with Imtiaz Ali and just say it out there that, you know, I want to work with you?
I never happened to, but I can say it right now. But
Yeah.
I really want to work with you. But more than a director, you know, what I seek for is a good story. You know, I'm open to experiment with new directors, new voices. All you need is a good story. If we have
Of
a great
course.
story, I think we can turn the pages into a beautiful cinema.
Of course, of course. Story means a lot, and I think for the last few years, that's what's been working. Be
That's
it,
what.
be it OTT, be it big screen. That's what we are.
Correct.
And I really want to see you in a film that explores dance, because you are such a good dancer.
So
man.
let's
You-
manifest for her, Zinnia.
that I get to see Sparsh Srivastav in a dance film.
Got it?
But tell me something. So, when you can sing, when you can dance, when you possess so much of acting talent, do you still face rejection now at this point in time?
See, the process today, we do. We all do. Not just me, we all do. Because क्या होता है ना कि अगर मैं भले आपसे बेहतर एक्टर हूँ, लेकिन एक कैरेक्टर जो जीनिया पे ज़्यादा फिट करता है, you know, जीनिया looks in a certain way, उसकी बॉडी वैसी है, उसके एक्सप्रेशंस वैसे, उसका फेशियल स्ट्रक्चर वैसा है, और वो ज़्यादा उसको अपीलिंग करती है.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक द डायरेक्टर एंड द प्रोड्यूसर्स वुड गो फॉर दैट.
Okay.
तो हाँ, आज भी रिजेक्शंस होते हैं, बट आई डोंट टेक रिजेक्शंस वेरी पर्सनली. इनफैक्ट आई सेलिब्रेट देम. दैट्स माय वे.
Wow.
Yeah. The so there's one project जिससे मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा attached था बहुत पहले, and then वो नहीं हुआ.
Okay.
तो वो रिजेक्शन ने मेरे को थोड़ा सा हिलाया. फिर मैंने सोचा यार इतनी छोटी मोटी हवाओं से तो नहीं हिलने वाले. I went and gave myself a treat. So I celebrate my rejections.
That's a very positive way to look at it. And given, you know, you have also been a part of television and you
Yeah.
have worked so much in TV. I mean, if you go to Reddit someday and just read about yourself, by the way, people have been celebrating your performances in Fear File.
Yeah.
And then it's just so many of us remember you from the Disney era also.
Shake it out.
Shake it up.
Yeah.
So, and there has been a notion in the industry that when you come from a TV background, there's a certain bias that also works in the film industry. Have you faced it or?
यार होता होगा. Honestly, मैंने face नहीं किया. And in fact, I see it in a very positive way again because I don't come from any acting school. है ना, मैंने वो पढ़ लिख कर या किसी स्कूल जाकर एक्टिंग नहीं सीखी है, और I've learned it on the job. So I see it in a way that this TV time was my acting school, and now the time in my OTT space is like a post graduation, and then film will be a job. High paying job.
High paying job, huh? Pays well, huh? Have you ever taken up any project just for the money that it offered?
Just for the money नहीं किया, अभी तक नहीं किया.
नहीं किया है?
अभी तक नहीं किया.
Wow, that's a great thing, yeah.
नहीं.
And the fact, yaar, Lapata Ladies was such a beautiful film. Matlab, you know, a lot of us thought that probably sometimes, you know, films like this release, they are good. But people, audience right then do not kind of, make it their own. It takes time for them to understand the film and then love it, and it gets loved much later on. But what happened to Lapata Ladies was like such a positive thing to happen in the industry.
Right.
Post that, do you feel this kind of pressure that there is a certain benchmark that you have achieved and now you have to live up to it?
नहीं यार, pressure तो नहीं है. I can say that it's a responsibility to be associated with good scripts. That entertainment का, films का, web shows का, dance का, इन सब का एक ही purpose है, to entertain the audience.
Yes.
Everything comes second. So whatever project I do, it should be, if it can give out a nice message, great. अदरवाइज इट शुड एटलीस्ट ब्रिंग अ स्माइल टू माय ऑडियंसेस फेस. अगर वो उनकी स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ से उन्हें थोड़ा सा रिलीफ मिलता है वो 2 घंटे की पिक्चर देख के या मेरा वेब शो देख के, तो मैं वो ज़रूर बांटना चाहता हूँ. सो या आई वांट टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद सच स्क्रिप्ट्स. इट्स अ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी डेफिनेटली.
Okay, and also there's something, you know, you have yourself said that now you're looking to explore the urban space, the stories that are set in the urban setting. Do you feel there's also a stereotyping that works, even though the characters you have done have been vastly different, but all of them were in the rural setting?
Correct.
Do you get approached mostly for maybe projects that are set in the rural areas?
You know, there is stereotyping. You do get approached for that. But then, you know, आप करो stereotype, but you know, I'll bring something new and fresh to the craft that once you watch it, you'll feel different. But I know, मैं इसको ना ऐसे देखता नहीं हूँ. मेरा देखने का नज़रिया क्या है इसको कि यार अगर हमने कितनी फिल्में देखी हैं जो एक्टर्स थे अपने पुराने, they were only doing romantic cinema,
Yes.
or maybe just fighting and all of that action. उसको आप stereotype नहीं कहते हो, तो इसको क्यों कहना? It's
That
just
is-
a language.
That is true.
Let's not categorize it with stereotyping.
Okay, that's a great way, and because you said it, it also reminded me of Manoj Kumar ji, who passed away yesterday. But he has only been he had done so many patriotic films that he earned the title of Bharat Kumar. So yeah, so
I think
is
yeah,
that-
in the end, it's the audience who demands, and we as an actor, we're always catering to the audience. Audience ही हमारी हुजूर है. तो उनकी जी हुजूरी में हमें वो करना होता है जो वो चाहते हैं.
Absolutely. And there's another thing, जी हुजूर जब आएगा, क्या हम आपको डांस करते हुए देखेंगे म्यूजिक वीडियो में?
जी हुजूर में तो आप मुझे गाते हुए देखेंगे, और फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे मेरे और भी गाने आएंगे, then you'll see me dancing in the songs as well.
Okay.
Yeah. थोड़े थोड़े सरप्राइजेस देता रहूंगा.
अच्छा, I was just hoping कि इस गाने में भी थोड़ा सा वो
नहीं, वाइब तो है. I'm vibing in the song.
Okay, okay. And the fact that, you know, ऐसा कभी आपको लगता है कि someday you would also want to pursue music seriously, like probably
I'm
like
pursuing it highly seriously.
like maybe जैसे परिणीति चोपड़ा करती है, या say for example even Paresh Pahuja does it, you know,
Yeah.
they have been doing tours also. So are you also looking to that zone?
100% यार, मतलब हर कला का जो पुरस्कार है वो ऑडियंस है, और कला मतलब पहुंचनी चाहिए ऑडियंस तक. दैट्स व्हाट अ ड्रीम इज. तो आई थिंक मैं इसे बहुत ही सीरियसली लेता हूँ यार. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि इट्स लाइक अ साइड हसल और एनीथिंग. आई टेक इट वेरी पर्सनली एंड वेरी सीरियसली, एंड इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट. दिस इज, यू नो, इट गिव्स मी दैट पीस. तो आई डेफिनेटली लुक फॉर दैट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर एमिंग.
Okay, and I would also love to hear, मतलब यार स्पर्श एक तो सेम डेट में बर्थडे है, तुम मेरे सामने बैठे हो, मैं अगर सुनूं भी ना गाना तुम्हारे, मतलब तुम गा के ना सुनाओ तो क्या फायदा हुआ?
Okay. So this is for the audience, and this is for you as an advance birthday gift as well.
Thank you.
वे होया एक कसूर, चढ़या इश्क फितूर, सुनदा किसी दिना दिल तेरे आगे जी हुजूर जी. वे होया एक कसूर, चढ़या इश्क फितूर, सुनदा किसी दिना दिल तेरे आगे जी हुजूर जी हुजूर.
Thank you. Oh my God, best birthday gift ever. वो भी एडवांस में मिल गया
Advance
है,
में.
क्या चाहिए? 2025 मेरा बन गया. Must. Tell me something. What's up for Sparsh next?
A lot of music, good projects. Yeah. But I think जैसे जैसे चीज़ें रिलीज के नज़दीक होंगी तब मैं ज़्यादा बेहतरी से उससे बात कर पाऊंगा.
And you know, as a journalist, I always feel like this question deserves a mention.
Okay.
कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आपको लगा मुझे पूछना चाहिए और मैंने पूछा नहीं,
Okay.
जिसके बारे में आप बात करना चाहते थे, but you know nobody asked you about that?
You know, as you have said it, I think we have talked about the music journey, right? We did, right? Yeah, I think that's it.
कभी ऐसा किया है आपने कि किसी को देख के आपको कोई गाना ऐसे लगा कि it came to your mind and then you sang it for somebody else and impressed somebody else with it?
No, I've not done that yet. But that's a good way. I think I'll try it.
I did not give him any ideas.
You know, it sounded like कि आपको कोई गिफ्ट देता है, फिर आप वही गिफ्ट किसी दूसरे रिश्तेदार को चिपका देते हो.
बहुत होता रहता है ये
बहुत होता है.
वैसे. And that was it, Sparsh.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining with India Today, and thank you for such a lovely conversation.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.